So, good day to all of us again. I am Eloisa Aubrey Cruz from Industrial Engineering. I am currently third year, and tonight it is currently raining so hard, but still I won't consider it as a hindrance for me to make my first work on SolidWorks. So my SolidWorks version is 2018. So the first thing that I need to do here is I will press the space bar and for me to choose the front layout. And the next thing that I will do, so by the way, I will put the photo of the activity on the right top corner of the video or of the screen for you to be able to see what I will be making. So the first thing that I need to do is I will make 3 circles. I will make 3 circles. Never mind first the dimension because we will fully define it later on. So as you can see, it is still underdefined, but the next thing that we need to do is to click that smart dimension and put the diameter of the biggest circle, which is 130. Press enter. Again, smart dimension the second circle, enter its diameter is 80, and the second or last circle is to be 46. Enter. And as you can see, it is already fully defined, but still we are not done. We have a lot of things to do. So the next thing is I will make a line from that center to here to the second circle, and I will just press the escape, and according to this I will offset that line. I will deselect the add dimensions, but by directional I will put 3 inches because it is 6 inches in total. Check. And after that I will trim all the unnecessary lines. These are the unnecessary lines, and this. Check. I will smart dimension these 2 points, which I already told you that in total it is 6 inches. And still it is underdefined, so I will just fully define the sketch. Calculate. So that's it. It is already fully defined. And after that, check. And after that, I will choose the circular pattern and press these 2 lines. Click the point, click the center, enter your preferred number, which is 7, and check. So that's it. But still it is underdefined. We will begin again to fully define that. So first I will trim all the unnecessary lines. This arc right here, I will make it as a construction geometry for us to be able to see where that 80 diameter came from. So as you can see, we are done with the first part of circle. So the next thing that we need to do is I will choose the center line. I will make a line whatever length I want, because in the end I will choose again the smart dimension. So this is supposed to be like 158, I guess. 158, yeah, its length is 158. And again I will choose the line, and I will make a line upward, and again smart dimension, and this length is 18. And after that I will make again 3 circles on that point. Little circle is 16, and the second circle is 34, and the biggest circle is 52. So as you can see, this diagram is fully defined. I'm so sorry for the stuttering because I am not used to speaking in English. So I will make a line here, a center line. A center line. I chose center line because we will just use it for an imaginary line to make a 45 degrees angle. Because later on we will use that 45 degrees angle for an intersection point for our circles again, to make a circles again. So this is supposed to be, this is 45. Oops. 45. Just like that. And still it is fully defined. And after that, we will make a circle here. As you can see, select circle again. And after it to appear, we need to smart dimension it for like, according to that photo, it is 8 in diameter. And again, it is still fully defined. So we're not done yet, of course, because according to that photo on the right top corner of this video, we need 3 more circles for about same sizes and same length and same distances, same location, but different part of the circle. So I talked too much. So the next thing that I need to do is to select the circular pattern. Select that circle. Okay, I already selected it. So point, select this point. Yes, 4. It is already 4. Yes. So it is underdefined. So I will just use the fully defined sketch. Calculate, check. So it is already fully defined. So the next thing that I need to do is to choose the 3-point arc, and I will just click wherever I want, but still in that circle, and to another circle. Oops, just like that. Any point. And next, add relation. Click the arc that you just made and the circle, and click the tangent for it to be tangent, of course. And the other one, we need to make it tangent. So again, add relation, click this circle and this arc that we just made. Again, add relation, the circle and the arc, click tangent and check. So it is still underdefined, but we made it to the tangent lines. We just need to smart dimension that one. I'm so sorry for this window. It keeps on popping up and I don't even know how to remove it permanently. So back at this, we need to put its diameter 180. So as you can see, it is already fully defined, but still we are not done. So the next thing that I need to do is I need to offset this one. We will not select this by direction because we don't need that, and we will enter 20 inch, just like that. Check. And again, it became underdefined, but still we will make it good later on. We need to trim the unnecessary parts again. Still, we are done with the trimming, but it is underdefined. So we will smart dimension this two, which is 20, which is, yeah, right, 20. And still it is underdefined, but we will just fully define sketch it. Check. Again, it is fully defined. So the next thing that we need to do is the lower part. So as you can see, we are almost done, but still not. So again, I will make a line here, a line here, a line here, underdefined, but still we will fix it later on. Smart dimension this line. This is supposed to be 78 in length, and this, click this dot and this dot, enter the preferred length, which is according to that photo, it is 37. And this, the last one, the last line for that line, oh, I was wrong for entering that one here, 43, which is right, which is exact. So it is fully defined. So the next thing that we need to do is that sketch again, go to the command manager and to the ribbon, here, make a line here, a line here, and again a line starting from here to end point, and smart dimension these two lines, enter 20, just like that. So I think we are done with that part, and the next thing that we need to do is we need to fillet those parts that needed to be filleted. So this part is, according to that photo, it is 20. Fillet that one, and this one, it is 8 in radius, enter 8 here, and this one, it is 12 in radius again, 12, and this one 14 according to the photo, 14 in radius. So there is none anymore to be fillet. So the next thing that we need to do is to make the perimeter circles, because this needed to be fillet but it can't be fillet, so we will be using a circle. So before that, I will add relations to these two, which is tangent, correct, smart dimension, which is supposed to be 24. As you can see, it is still fully defined, and we are doing right. We're doing it right. That's 24, and the other ones needed to show that perimeter circle. And the next one is smart dimension. Enter the diameter, which is 20, but the radius is 10. So 10 plus 10 is, you know the answer, right? Trim the necessary lines, and still it is still fully defined. Thank God. Just like that again. Make a circle. Again, add relation to the circle, tangent, select, add dimensions, which is, according to the photo, is its radius is 5, and so 5 plus 5 is 10. Fully defined again, and trim. So I think we are in the last part of this activity. So this line, I will put just wherever. Tangent, yes, and smart dimension. Enter its radius 12, but 12 plus 12 is 24 for its diameter. And again, I will just trim the unnecessary lines. And boom, I think we are done. So the last, I thought that was last, but not. The last thing is here. I will put a perimeter here, perimeter circle again. Check, add relation to this circle and to this circle. And select tangent again, check, just check it. And still underdefined, but we'll make it fully defined by smart dimensioning it. The radius is 5, still 5 plus 5 is 10, so enter 10. And we will trim the unnecessary. So that's it. We just made our first activity on SOLIDWORKS. We successfully made our first activity vlog. And as you can see, it is fully defined. So thank you for watching.